It's Raining by Gail Gibbons. Dark clouds fill the sky. Some people pull on boots and put on raincoats and hats. Others pop open umbrellas. It's raining. Rain is water falling from clouds. Water is necessary for all plant life and animal life to survive on Earth. The water cycle. When the sun shines and warms the air, water vapor rises up into the sky. This is called evaporation. Water vapor is made up of very tiny particles of water that we cannot see. As the water vapor moves higher into the sky, the air becomes cooler and cooler. Water vapor soon turns into millions of water droplets. This is called condensation. Condensation occurs when the water vapor turns into liquid droplets. Clouds. Clouds will form when enough droplets come together. As droplets join together, they become heavy enough to fall toward Earth as raindrops. Some of the rain goes back into the soil. This is called groundwater. The rest of the rain ends up in oceans and other bodies of water. This is called runoff. Different kinds of rain clouds. Stratus clouds produce drizzle or light rain and are low in the sky. They are spread out across the entire sky. Nimbostratus clouds are dark and bring steady, heavy rain. When clouds look dark to us, it is because there are so many water droplets in the clouds that the rays of the sun can't shine through. Stratocumulus and altocumulus clouds produce drizzle or light rain. They are patchy, puffy clouds low in the sky. Cumulonimbus clouds are dark, heavy, and piled up high in the sky. These large clouds bring lots of rain. Cumulonimbus clouds can be taller than 60,000 feet, 18,288 meters in the sky. Where it rains in North America and around the world. The amount of rainfall during a year varies from place to place all around North America. Rain helps determine the kinds of plant life in all regions of the world. It also helps create the level of water in streams, rivers, lakes, and oceans. Any place on the map in yellow receives 0 to 0.9 inches of rain. Light green receives 10 inches. Brown receives 20 inches. Darker green gets 40 inches. The darkest greens get 80 inches or more of rain per year. Rain falls from clouds in different ways. When very small raindrops are falling lightly, people say it's drizzling. A shower occurs when the raindrops are larger than drizzle. A shower lasts for a short amount of time. If the sun shines during a shower, we call this a sun shower. Rain occurs when the raindrops are large and come down steadily. A rainstorm is when there are gusty winds and rain comes down for a long time. During a thunderstorm, it gets dark and windy. Raindrops come down hard and fast. People try to stay safe indoors. People cover their windows to protect themselves from flying glass and other objects. Thunderstorms can be very dangerous. There is thunder and lightning. Lightning is a flash of electricity. When raindrops bump against one another violently, they make electricity. Lightning is so hot that particles of water vapor in the air around it expand. Boom! The powerful noise is called thunder. Sometimes meteorologists warn people of an approaching storm and possible flooding. A flood can bring great danger. Meteorologists are scientists who study and predict the weather. A rain gauge measures the amount of rainfall. The information is downloaded by meteorologists onto their computers. A flash flood is rapid and sudden flooding, usually caused by heavy rain. Floodwaters can rise quickly. People living near streams, rivers, and lakes are sometimes advised by meteorologists and authorities to evacuate. To evacuate means to leave the area. People are told to move to safer places. Some people go to shelters. A shelter is a place where people go to be safe until they can return home. After a major rainstorm or flash flood has passed, there often is damage. Cleanup crews get busy. Damaged trees and branches are cut up and taken away. Power lines are repaired. Workers and volunteers come together as cleanup teams. Roads may be washed away. Homes and buildings may need repairs. When strong pollutants in the air come down with the rain, it is called acid rain. Acid rain can cause damage to trees, crops, and all living things. The use of gasoline, oil, and coal adds pollutants to the air. Without clean water, plants and crops may die. People and animals suffer too. Many people are looking at new forms of energy, such as hydropower, wind power, and solar power, to help cut back on pollution. Hydropower is created from the movement of water. Wind power is created from the movement of the wind. Solar power is created from the heat of the sun. Sometimes while it's raining or just after it's rained, there is a rainbow. The order of the colors of the rainbow is always the same. How to stay dry outside when it rains. Wear a jacket, rain boots, a hat, or a poncho. Carry an umbrella. How to stay safe during a thunderstorm. When there is lightning, never stand near or under a tree. The tree and its roots will carry and transfer electricity that can hurt anything near them. Don't swim in water out of doors. Water attracts lightning. As soon as possible, take cover inside your house or a large building. How to stay safe inside during a thunderstorm or a flood. Make sure you are in a safe place with an adult. Bring your pets inside. Listen to weather forecasters to be on alert. Stay away from windows and doors. When there is lightning, stay away from anything that can transfer electricity, such as water faucets or electrical appliances. Make sure you have fresh water, a battery-powered radio, a first aid kit, spare batteries, non-perishable food, a flashlight. Rain, rain, rain. Fog is a stratus cloud close to the ground. A drought happens when it hasn't rained for a long time. There is no water, so plants can't grow. Monsoons are extra heavy seasonal rains that fall mostly in Southeast Asia. As much as 1 foot or 3/10 of a meter or more of rain per hour can fall during a monsoon. Both the place with the highest annual rainfall and the place with the lowest annual rainfall around the world are found in South America. Freezing rain is very dangerous. When warm drops fall and hit cold surfaces, ice forms. Streets and sidewalks become slippery. Electrical wires can snap. There is danger everywhere. Each raindrop is made of about 1 million droplets. Throughout the world, there are about 16 million thunderstorms a year. Count the seconds between a flash of lightning and a clap of thunder. The bigger the number, the farther away the storm is. A rainbow is an arc of 7 different colors. It forms when sunlight shines through drops of water.